You can now add ammunition to the list of items you can buy out of a vending machine. The ammo-stocked vending machines have been installed in several stores across the country. Drury Vaughn has more on these vending machines and what the company behind them is trying to prevent.
Created by American Rounds last summer, CEO Grant Majors says they're aiming to prevent theft and illegal ammo sales to minors.
I mean, I've personally walked into stores and big box stores and found open boxes of ammunition just sitting there on the shelf.
The ammo retail vending machine uses a 92-point facial recognition system that scans and verifies the customer to their ID to prevent underage sales of ammunition.
And when you order online, there's nothing to prevent an underage minor from being able to click, yes, I'm of age, and use a parent's credit card and buy ammunition.
Majors says the process is safe to use and does not save any customer information during their purchase.
It's how it's being sold today versus this process. We feel like we have the safest and most secure, method of ammunition sales in the country.
American Rounds has installed ammunition vending machines in 6 locations so far nationwide, with 4 in Oklahoma, and plans to expand to over 200 locations in the coming weeks.
Just in the last week, since all the attention we've been getting as of late, our sales have tripled.
While the age requirement to purchase ammunition varies by each state, you must be 21 years of age to buy from American Rounds.
We really value safety, security, and convenience for the customers. And we really hope we can help build a better community as it relates to the purchasing of ammunition.
The ammunition vending machine is located at the Super C grocery store in Kingston. In Kingston, Drury Vaughn, News 12.